In this Pixlr Snippets tutorial, we're going to learn how to use the focus and bokeh effects within Pixlr X. The focus and bokeh effects can be located within the effect icon of your Tools panel. Now click on the focus bokeh icon. Pixlr E offers 4 different masking modes and 3 different focus and bokeh effects. To understand how masking in effects works, let's begin by applying a soft blur to our image. The space between the 2 dotted lines, which I have represented with the red color, has 0% of the soft blur effect applied. Next, the area between the dotted white line and the complete white line, which I have represented with an orange color, begins to have the effect applied using a gradient. Therefore, starting at the dotted white line, 0% is applied. When we get to the complete white line, the effect is now 100% applied. Finally, all the rest of the space in our image, which I have indicated by the green lines, have 100% of the soft blur effect applied. This mask can be manipulated in various ways. By clicking on the peripheral circle in the center, we can rotate the application of our mask. By clicking on the central point, we can move the location of the mask anywhere in the image. By clicking on the dotted white line, we can change the position where 0% of the gradient begins to be applied. By clicking on the complete white line, we can change the position where 100% of the gradient is being applied. This system of masking is applied to all of the masking techniques offered in Pixlr E. In the example of this radial mask, the green area represents 100% of the effect applied. The orange area is a gradient from 0 to 100, and the red area represents where 0% of the effect is applied. As before, each of the points can be modified. Now that you understand the different gradients, let's see how the bokeh types work. With the bokeh blur effect, you can manipulate the shape of the highlights, which become blurred with the application of bokeh. The bokeh shape effect will add artificial bokeh shapes and colors to your image. You can customize the individual characteristics of all of these shapes. When you're happy with your adjustments, click on the Apply button. Now that you know how to use the focus and bokeh effects, have fun creating with Pixlr X.